Welcome back. As promised in the previous lesson, I'm going to show you where you can get some backlinks for your website. So what I'm going, this is the website. It's called SEOreviewtools.com link building tool. And there's also some other tools here. SEO authority tools, technical SEO tools, SEO content tools, social media tools. So there's all kind of tools on this page, but the main interest here for me is to look for some places I can submit my website to, some directories, so we can get some backlinks. So I'm pretending that I'm selling jewelry on the internet, and I'm going to pick, I debated between beauty and fashion, and I really felt that fashion was a more appropriate category. So I'm going to click I am not a robot until they have the green check mark, and I'm going to click perform check or search, and it's loading. And if you scroll down, and here's the information, and if you scroll just a little bit further, you're going to see that we have some results. This is a submit, you can submit your site to these results. So let's see what we have. We can submit our site to T-Section. We can submit our site to Anna Sienkowska Fashion Directory. We can submit a site to a free directory about fashion websites. We can submit our site to a fashion directory. Let's take a look at this one. This one is going to cost some money. A basic listing is $7.95. So it's your decision whether you want to invest in something like that or not. Our beauty directory, let's see about this beauty directory. This is a directory where enter beauty directory to add links. You're gonna beauty and fashion retailers, you're gonna submit your link, and you can submit your link here with a description. So that is one place that you can add your link, which also gives you backlinks. And let's just go down to the next one and see what these results are like. Free search engine submission, submit to 775 directories, submit to website directories PR8. Let's see what this one is about. Free regular link, inclusion not guaranteed. Free regular if you have a reciprocal link, which means you have to link to this directory on your website, or guaranteed lifetime. You can pay $19.95. You'll receive 2 blank backlinks and 3 optional deep links. So here are some places where you could get some backlinks for your website. Let's try ebooks. I'm going to pretend that I sell ebooks on the internet. And I don't know, ebooks. I'm going to say, since they're books, I'm going to do entertainment and see what that comes up with. And I'm going to perform a check, and let's see what kind of directories come up. And let's see. That one looks like that did not work correctly. Oh, you know what? I did not do the I am not a robot. Let's go to entertainment. I'm not a robot. You have to do this or it doesn't work. So we're going to perform the check. And here we go. We got them this time. Let's view some results. World Site Index Web Directory, Entertainment and Media Production, Arts and Entertainment, Awards, Site Promotion Directory. So there are lots of different directories listed with this link building tool. So it's SEOreviewtools.com link building tool, or you can just go through some of the lists that I've provided at the end of the lesson. Anyway, either way, you have lots of options and lots of opportunities to find some more backlinks for your website, which of course will raise your ranking in Google and other search engines. And thanks for tuning in. I will see you in the next lesson.